Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel, Dad English.
Hi guys, we are so happy to see you here again today.
I am Antony.
And I am Grace.
Today, we have a very useful lesson for you. We will talk about our daily routine.
Yes, we will talk about what we do from the morning until the night. It is a great way to learn vocabulary.
But first, Grace, how are you feeling today?
I am feeling very good, thank you. The sun is shining and I am happy. How are you?
I am a little bit tired today. I did not sleep well last night.
Oh no, why are you tired? Did you work late?
No, my dog was barking at night. He was very noisy.
That is terrible. I hope you can sleep better tonight.
Thank you. I will drink some coffee to help me wake up.
Okay, let's start the lesson.
First, let's talk about the morning. What time do you usually wake up?
On weekdays, I usually wake up at 7 a.m. That is my normal time.
Do you use an alarm clock to wake up?
Yes, I use the alarm on my phone. The sound is very loud.
Do you get up immediately?
No, I stay in bed for 10 minutes. I like to check my messages on my phone.
I understand. My bed is very warm and comfortable. It is hard to leave.
What time do you wake up, Antony?
I wake up very early. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day.
Wow, that is early. What do you do at 6 a.m.?
I like the quiet time. I open the window and look outside.
After I get up, I make my bed. Do you make your bed?
Yes, I always make my bed. It makes my room look clean.
After I get out of bed, I go to the bathroom.
What is your routine in the bathroom?
First, I wash my face with warm water. It helps me wake up.
I prefer cold water. Cold water is very refreshing.
Then, I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I take a shower every morning. I wash my hair and use soap.
Me too. After the shower, I get dressed.
How do you choose your clothes?
I check the weather app on my phone. If it is raining, I wear a raincoat.
That is smart. I usually wear jeans and a t-shirt. I like comfortable clothes.
I wear a shirt and trousers for work. I want to look professional.
Do you spend a lot of time choosing clothes?
No, I choose my clothes very quickly, maybe 5 minutes. Now we are dressed. It is time for breakfast.
I am always hungry in the morning. Breakfast is my favorite meal.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat a bowl of yogurt. I put fruit in it, like bananas or strawberries.
That sounds very healthy and fresh.
It is delicious. What do you eat, Antony?
I usually eat 2 slices of toast. I put butter and strawberry jam on them.
Do you eat eggs?
Sometimes on the weekend, I cook eggs, but on weekdays, I do not have time.
What do you drink? Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee. I drink a big cup of black coffee every morning.
I don't like coffee. It is too bitter for me. I drink hot tea with milk.
After breakfast, do you wash the dishes?
Yes, I wash my bowl and my spoon immediately. I like a clean kitchen.
Now it is 8 a.m. It is time to leave the house.
Before I leave, I check my bag. I need my keys and my wallet.
How do you go to work, Grace?
I take the bus. The bus stop is only 5 minutes from my house.
Is the bus busy in the morning?
Yes, it is very crowded. Sometimes there are no seats, so I have to stand.
I drive my car to work. My office is far away.
How long does it take?
It takes about 30 minutes, but if the traffic is bad, it takes 45 minutes.
That is a long time. What do you do in the car?
I listen to the radio. I like to listen to the news or some music.
I listen to music on the bus too. I use my headphones.
It is a good way to relax before work starts.
When I arrive at work, I say good morning to everyone.
It is important to be polite to your colleagues.
Then I go to my desk. I put my bag down and turn on my computer.
What is the first thing you do on the computer?
I check my emails. I usually have 10 or 20 new emails.
That is a lot of work. I check my emails too.
Do you have meetings in the morning?
Yes, we usually have a team meeting at 10 a.m. We talk about our projects.
Is the morning busy for you?
Yes, very busy. I type on my computer and answer phone calls.
I write a list of things to do. It helps me stay organized.
That is a very good idea. Being organized is important. At 12:30 p.m., I stop working. I am very hungry.
It is finally lunchtime. This is my favorite part of the workday.
Do you go to a restaurant for lunch?
No, restaurants are expensive. I bring food from my house.
What do you usually bring?
I bring leftovers, for example, pasta or rice and chicken from last night.
I usually buy a sandwich. There is a cafe near my office.
What kind of sandwich do you like?
I like cheese and tomato sandwiches. They are simple but tasty.
Do you eat at your desk?
No, I eat with my friends in the cafeteria. We talk and laugh.
Me too. It is good to take a break from the computer screen.
Sometimes I walk outside for 10 minutes to get fresh air.
After lunch, I feel a little bit sleepy.
Me too. The afternoon is difficult. My energy is low.
What do you do to stay awake?
I drink a glass of cold water. Sometimes I stand up and stretch my legs.
I sometimes drink a cup of tea. It helps me focus.
Is the afternoon busy at your work?
It is quieter than the morning. I finish my tasks.
I look at the clock often. I wait for 5 p.m.
When it is 5 p.m., I turn off my computer immediately.
I clean my desk. I put my papers away.
Then we say goodbye to our coworkers and leave.
The drive home is nice. I am happy because work is finished.
I take the bus home. I usually read a book on the bus.
When I get home, I open the door and take off my shoes.
What is the first thing you do inside?
I change my clothes. I take off my work shirt.
Me too. I put on comfortable pants, like sweatpants.
I sit on the sofa for 20 minutes. I just rest.
Do you check your phone?
Yes, sometimes. But mostly I just close my eyes and relax.
It is important to rest before cooking dinner.
I agree. It separates work time and home time.
Now we are hungry again. It is time for dinner.
Who cooks dinner in your house?
I usually cook. I like cooking. It is fun for me.
What do you like to cook?
I cook simple food. I make pasta, soup, or chicken with salad.
My wife usually cooks dinner, but sometimes I help her.
Do you ever order food from a restaurant?
Yes, on Fridays we order pizza. We are too tired to cook.
I love pizza. Do you eat dinner at the table?
Yes, we sit at the table with the family. We talk about our day.
After dinner, I wash the dishes. I don't like dirty plates.
I help clean the kitchen too. We work together.
Now the kitchen is clean. It is 8 p.m.
This is my free time. I can do what I want.
What do you usually do in the evening?
I usually watch TV. I like to watch movies on Netflix.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies or funny comedies.
I sometimes watch TV, but I prefer to read books.
Reading is good. It makes you sleepy.
Do you play games?
Sometimes I play video games with my son. It is fun.
Do you check social media?
Yes, I look at Facebook or Instagram for a short time.
I try not to look at my phone too much at night.
It is getting late. It is almost time to sleep.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I go to bed at 10:30 p.m. I need to wake up early tomorrow.
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
What is your routine before bed?
First, I check that the front door is locked.
Then I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth again.
I wash my face and put on my nightdress.
I turn off the lights in the house.
I get into bed. The bed is soft and warm.
Do you fall asleep quickly?
Yes, I close my eyes and I sleep. Good night.
Good night, Grace. That was a long day.
Yes, now let's review some important words we used.
The first word is usually.
Usually means most of the time. For example, I usually drink tea.
The next word is commute.
Commute means going from home to work. My commute is 30 minutes.
The last word is leftovers.
Leftovers is food from yesterday's dinner. I eat leftovers for lunch.
Please try to use these words today.
We finished the lesson. Great job, everyone.
You listened to a lot of English today. That is very good practice.
We have a question for you. Please write the answer in the comments.
What is your favorite time of the day? Is it the morning or the evening?
I like the evening because I can relax. What about you?
Tell us below. We read every comment.
Thank you for watching Dad English. Please like this video.
And subscribe to our channel for more lessons. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Have a nice day.